Back in March, I saw this Cadisen in the Just the Watch channel. It was just $53 on AliExpress and it had a lot of nice features, so I bought it right away. However, because of the pandemic, I had to wait a really long time and I was losing hope of ever receiving it. Thankfully, after 3 months, it's finally here. Ladies and gents, I present to you the Cadisen C8173. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I welcome you to the Steve Dan channel. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please click on the subscribe button below. It really helps the channel. Now back to the watch. This particular model has a case diameter of 42 millimeters, lug-to-lug length of 15 millimeters. The case thickness is 11 millimeters, including the flat sapphire crystal. This curved part here gives it an illusion of a slimmer watch. The weight is 79 grams. Comparing it with the quartz Daniel Wellington, this Cadisen feels much heftier. This watch is powered by the Seiko NH35A movement, which has hacking and hand winding. It runs at 21,600 beats per hour with a power reserve of 41 hours. It's a very popular movement, often seen in micro-brand watches priced around $300 and above. Isn't it amazing that you can get the same movement in a $53 watch? The white dial has a texture similar to Oslo paper, but with a slightly pearlescent sheen. The applied multifaceted hour markers catches the light on the sides, while the top part has lines engraved on it. The date window at 6 o'clock has a nice pop of blue line framing it, matching the seconds hand. It has lume on the hour and minute hands, but the listing on AliExpress doesn't say what kind. It's pretty strong for a dress watch, but it doesn't last very long, and I don't expect it to. The strap it came with is made with genuine leather and is quite supple. Unfortunately, the lug width is 21 millimeters, so finding straps for this is going to be a challenge. Here it is on my 6¼ inch wrist. Overall, I'm still on the fence about it. On paper, it's got a lot of great qualities for just $53. However, right now, I just don't feel any spark for it. If you're in the market for a mechanical watch with a minimalist design on a budget, I would recommend this Cadisen watch. It also comes in blue and in black, in case you find the white dial too plain. And that's the end of my video. Thank you all for watching all the way to the end. See you next time.